All right, kia ora everyone. It's Nathan Rose here in beautiful and very chilly this morning, Auckland, New Zealand. Just wanted to do a quick update on low-code plugins. So in my YouTube video last night, I said that the shuffle and first functions weren't working. Um, it's actually kind of depends on the environment you're in. So let me go ahead and share my screen, and I just want to clarify what's going on just so that everyone is clear. So if you've been following this somewhat closely, we've had some issues with low-code plugins since Microsoft Build. Some stuff. There's been a few bugs. The team is working on fixing those. I'm told that there's a fix coming any day, and it looks like they're kind of slowly rolling out through the org. So let me go ahead and I'm just going to share my screen and let's get into this. Okay, so I've got an environment called AI Playground. This is in the US region, and this is the Dataverse Accelerator app. So I tried to create my random name generator like I did in the YouTube video last night, and you can see that we're still getting an error creating this plugin. However, if I switch, I've got an environment that is in Oceania or CRM6, which is the part of the world that I'm located in, and it looks like the fix has rolled out. So if we come to the Dataverse Accelerator app, I was getting this same error the last few days in this Oceania CRM6 Dataverse Accelerator, and I was able last night, 16 hours ago, to create this. Let's just go ahead and I'll just show you this. So same exact plugin formula and behavior. So we're basically going to have an output parameter. Once this loads, there we go. So we've got a string output random name, and then this is just my expression, which is basically an interpolated string like I showed you in the video in the command line interface. So we're using a combination of first and shuffle with my first and last name tables. So just to correct what I said in my previous video, Shuffle does work in low-code plugins. The docs don't say this, but it does actually work. And when we go ahead and run this, we can see that we got a random name. We'll just do it again. So a couple things just to bear in mind. Firstly, you can use Shuffle in low-code plugins, even though the docs don't reflect this. And secondly, it looks like the fix to low-code plugins in the Dataverse Accelerator app is slowly rolling out across the org. So it appears to be in place in Oceania in the CRM6 region. I don't see it in the US region just yet, but I expect that that'll be coming in the next few days. So that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching. Go do something awesome today, and I will talk to you soon.